Last night I did another random, y'all. That's the word. It's been raining over here. But back to what I was saying. I thought about something. I was going to upload a video, but I said, you know what? I need to do an introduction. I can't just throw that up there and they don't know what it is. So last night I was up and couldn't sleep too well. So I got up and did a what's in my refrigerator video. So what you're about to see is me just going through my refrigerator, actually looking at what I have in there before I go out and purchase more stuff to make sure I didn't over purchase, buying stuff that I've already have. In a sense, kind of like wasting money. We don't want to do that. So in the next clip, that is what you'll be seeing. Me showing you what's in my refrigerator. I didn't get to the freezer because the freezer kind of scared you a little bit. I'm being honest. I gotta throw some stuff out of my freezer. Because I'm a woman that over the holidays I like to cook. And turkeys and all that kind of stuff. So I have a lot of turkey carcasses. You know how you take all the turkey meat off of the bones of the turkey, and you save the bones and a little bit of the meat, and you for like to make a broth later on, like soups and stuff. So I have a lot of those in my freezer. So I need to get rid of a lot of those, and I didn't want to show y'all that and have to explain it, all that situation, in the middle of the night. So without further ado, here is my what's in my fridge video. Okay, this is a quick look in my refrigerator. No judgment. It needs to be cleaned out. But honestly, I can say most of the stuff in here right now I'm using. It's like a recent use. It's not like stuff I've just set in here and forgot about. So let's see. In the far back there, that's the green tea, my almond milk. Then we have behind here my creamer for my coffee. I have kombucha, and I have sparkling waters. My water, I keep in a filter. There are 2 avocados, and I have 2 bangs in the back. Mandarin oranges. I can't believe it's not butter. Then we have some Greek yogurts, some liquid egg whites. Oh, that's the dog food for BB. Fresh lemon. This pasta that I never really eat. And I can't forget, all the way back here in the back is my mambo sauce that I made. Then the second shelf, what is this? Oh, this is the boiled egg. This is raspberry, fresh chopped pineapple, bacon. I have real bacon. I do turkey bacon as well, but I missed this one, the real bacon, so I had to eat the real bacon. Some asparagus that I gotta cook right away. That's why it's not in the veggie drawer. If I see it immediately, I'll cook it immediately. And some pepperonis, turkey pepperoni. Some more eggs here, cage-free brown eggs. Then I have 2 dozen of extra large regular eggs. Some of my meal preps, 3 meal preps. And then on the bottom shelf, we have some blueberries, some blackberries, and some strawberries. That's next to it here is, let me see. That's pastrami, turkey pastrami. In here, this container is Mediterranean salad. Then here I have some Dave's bread. Excuse my finger, that comes from extensive years of wearing acrylics. Back there in that bowl with the blue lid, that's chopped watermelon. And this is some cooked pasta that I gotta use up, which I probably won't eat. But that's salsa I have, and this is here cat food for drama. And then I have garlic mince, and right here I have some cheese, the Asiago cheese. This is leftover chicken breast cooked with that asparagus. I'm gonna probably use this in a scramble in the morning. Some scrambled eggs and probably some tomato and more asparagus. And then in my veggie drawer, yeah, onion, tomato, baby cucumber, large cucumber. Then I'm gonna make a cucumber salad. I meant to do that tonight, actually, and let it sit. And then the other one I have butter lettuce, kale salad, celery, shredded cabbage. Yeah, that's my fridge. The freezer is a whole different situation. We'll tackle that another day.